Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Charleston. Grapevine. Other way. Quarter turn. Step and drag. Step and drag. Left, right, right. Pivot, right pivot. Toe, heel, coaster. Shuffle. Step, hitch. Grapevine. Other way. Quarter turn. Left, right, pivot. Starts over, toe, heel, Charleston, grapevine, other way, quarter turn. Knee, and pivot. Hey guys, it's Tangi with Boots and Meets Line Dancing. Today I'm going to teach you the classic called watermelon crawl. So this is going to be 40 counts and we're going to turn to all 4 walls. Let me turn to 12 o'clock and it starts like this. Your weight is on your left. You're going to go a toe, heel, and then you're going to shuffle right, left, right. Put your weight on your right side and we're going to do the left. We're going to go toe, heel, shuffle, left, right, left. Okay, so it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. All right, let's go on to the second set of 8 counts. So after you do your 7 and 8, we're going to do the Charleston. So we'll step forward on the right. We're going to kick the left, step back on the left, and then point backward with the right. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do it again. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, on that Charleston, if you want to actually do the Charleston, you could do that too, okay? All right, so starting at the top, let's do all 2 sets together. 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, shuffle, right, left, right. Toe, heel, shuffle, left, right, left. Step, kick, step, and touch. Step, kick, step, and touch. All right, so your weight's on your left. Let's go on to that third set of 8 counts. We're gonna grapevine right. So we're gonna go step, behind, step, together. We're gonna go left, but we're gonna do a quarter turn to 9 o'clock. So we'll go step, behind, step, quarter turn, okay? Let's do that to counts. That's the third set. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go back to the top. Let's put those 3 sets together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, right, left, right. Toe, heel, left, right, left. Charleston and back, point. Charleston and back. Grapevine, step behind, step together, step behind, step, quarter turn. All right, the fourth section. We're gonna step forward with our right foot and we're gonna drag the left. We're gonna take 4 counts to do that. So it's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go back on that left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 counts just to go forward and back. All right, let's add that on. First 4 sets of 8 counts. 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, right, left, right. Toe, heel, left, right, left. Step, hitch, step in back, step, kick, step in back, grapevine to the right, grapevine, quarter turn, slide forward, slide back. All right, that last set of 8 counts. Let me turn to 12 o'clock so you can see what I'm doing. We're gonna do some knees. We're just gonna bend the knee in for left, right, and then we're gonna step forward on the right, do a pivot, step forward on the right, do a half pivot. So that was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start back at the top. Let's put all 4 sets together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, right, left, right. Toe, heel, left, right, left. Charleston and Charleston. Grapevine, step behind, step together, step behind. Quarter turn, right and drag, left, and drag, knees, left, right, right pivot, keep going, toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, Charleston, and Charleston, grapevine, step behind, step together, step behind, quarter turn, right, and drag, left, and drag, knees, left, right, right pivot. There you go, the watermelon crawl.